Imagine earning $9K per month and over $300K in total revenue by selling simple nursery wall art designs. No skills needed. And with the help of an AI tools I just discovered, starting the digital product business is just a click away. In today's video, I'll show you a demanding sub-niche in nursery wall art with less competition, but with great potential. We'll be using Kittl AI to design stunning products that outperform the competition and get them ready to sell on Etsy. Plus, I've included a link to 100 high-quality design prompts to help you dive fast into this business. I discovered a nursery wall art sub-niche called educational posters. These are simple clip art designs featuring representation of animals, shapes, colors, and plants on a wall art designs. Since products like these addresses educational needs for elementary level kids, they are frequently purchased by schools and parents. Using Alura, I analyzed a store selling similar products to have an idea of its monthly and total revenue. One great feature of Alura is the ability to sort the product by monthly sales, which helps identify the best-selling items. This makes it easy to find inspiration for profitable designs to sell today. Thanks to Alura, I identified this listing focused on wild animals and aquatic animals. Both have generated impressive total revenue, demonstrating the potential profitability of this sub-niche. To create these designs that are selling like hotcakes, I found Kittl AI to be the best tool for the job. It's perfect if you want your design to outshine those of your competitors. Kittl is an all-in-one design platform that allows you to create professional quality designs without needing any prior design skills. With Kittl, you gain access to thousands of customizable templates, unique fonts, and advanced design tools, making it easier than ever to produce stunning and competitive designs. Whether you're creating product designs, quality logos, print-ready artworks, or even social media graphics, Kittl provides everything you need to bring your creative vision to life. Plus, their AI tools has popular design style, which you could use to generate fresh designs and tweak designs to fit your brand perfectly. Kittl has a free plan you can get started with, but to access all these amazing features, use the promo code Endatah to get 25% off all premium plan. To create this design in Kittl, we first need to start a new project and set a custom size, ensuring the DPI is increased to 300 for optimal quality. Once inside, select Kittl AI. Before writing the prompts, I always review the product's name area of competitors' listings to understand their design style. However, when analyzing how these competitors display their designs, it's clear that many sellers use similar design representation, which can make this concept feel oversaturated. So, to stand out, I decided to create a prompt using a unique format to generate fresh and unique designs. In a white background, imagine a goose walking along a dirt path in watercolor style. But since Kittl offers clip art as one of its design style, I decided to simplify the prompt by removing both customization and style. Instead, I selected the nursery art style for these designs. Once I click generate, this is the result I got. And by adding the text to include the animal's name and a brief description, the designs looks even more unique compared to our competitors. But that's not all. I also created additional prompts for these designs, perfect for anyone interested in starting a similar business. You can find the link in the description, and a special thanks to my Patreon supporters for making this possible. Next, I repeated this process for other designs to achieve similar results. But before downloading each design, I ensured the background was removed and used the AI image upscaler to enhance the quality. I also selected PNG as a file format for downloading. Now, to prepare the design in a portrait size format, we'll create a custom 2x3 portrait canvas. After this, we'll import and arrange the design on the canvas. Once everything is properly aligned, you'll download the final image. But you're not done yet, because there's one last step you have to do before uploading your design into Etsy, which is frame size. It's advisable not to create a separate design for each size. Instead, export your design in the highest frame size within a specific ratio category. This allows customers to scale it down to their preferred size. And you can easily do this in Kittl by using one of these sizes as your custom size. Remember to use an eye-catching thumbnail, as it's the first thing potential buyers will notice. To create a suitable thumbnail for your wall art, simply go back to your design and click on mockups. From there, search for poster and you find a variety of poster mockups to choose from. Select one and adjust it to fit perfectly within the frame. This will give your product a professional and appealing presentation. Finally, I hope this information has convinced you that this is a potential product that can generate a lot of sales. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll catch you on the next one.